Hello viewers, welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I am going to explain you about pivot table. This is one of the fantastic and exciting features of Excel. Using this option, we can create a summary table using the large amount of raw data. So when we look at any raw data which is in large amount, we may not be able to understand it exactly in what way we want. But pivot table is very flexible in nature. Using this option, you can create a table in whatever way we want, and in a very easily understandable format also we can design our data to be presented. So let's get started with the steps of creating pivot table. Just look at this data which is of 453 rows. It's a raw data of different dates and different products, of regions, units and sales amount. Now, so select any cell of this data, select any cell anywhere, click on pivot table. Automatically it selects the entire range. If you scroll down to the bottom, you will see that the entire data got selected. But if this data is contained in any empty row, then it would not be selecting the entire data. So make sure that the data whatever we are dealing with, it should not contain any empty row or empty column. Next, what is the first question it is asking? Choose the data that you want to analyze. So already the data got selected. Click on OK. And before that, there is another question. Choose where you want to create a pivot table report. That is by default it got selected as new worksheet, or you can also select existing worksheet. Now I am selecting new worksheet. Click on OK. So within 1-2 seconds only, we can get the pivot table design view. Here we got pivot table field list task pane, and the available fields, 5 fields, whatever fields we had in the raw data, we have got it here. 1 2 3 4 5 fields we have got in the pivot table design mode. Now just by clicking on this checkbox, you can get that field added into some of one of these 4 boxes. So let's add these field names manually. I am adding this field name data into row label, which is presenting the data of row like this. Product into column, and then units values. So on this particular date, there are 7 units of notebooks were sold out. And what is the sales amount? Sum of sales. For 1 unit, we got 11. For 4 units, it is 60. Likewise, what are the number of units were sold on daily basis and what is the total amount? We have got that report prepared automatically. Similarly for laptops, sum of units, sum of sales. Notebooks, sum of units, sum of sales. This is one type of table. As I said, pivot table is not fixed, it is very flexible. Using whatever columns we want, we can create that particular table. So now if I want to remove them, I can easily remove, and I can bring region into the row level, and then sales. Now here I want to see the region wise total sales, which is here like this. Date wise, if we look at date wise, on 1/1/2019 West region got 105 total sales. But this view is somewhat not easily understandable. So let's make it very understandable format of table. So for that, click on options, click on design, report layout, select show in tabular form. Again, click on subtotals, select do not show subtotals. Click on options, select buttons. Again, click on design, report layout, repeat all item labels. Now this is what somewhat meaningful data we have got in front of us. That is on 1st 2019 West region 105 sales. It's very easy to understand now. I can also keep this region on column labels box, which is also very meaningful. Even I can put this in report filter. Report filter is nothing but it's a filter of data in a column which is present. So let's select East. This is your East region data, and for North region data. For selecting multiple columns, choose this option and choose North and West. This is North and West data summary. For all, select all, OK. So report filter box will provide you a list of options using which you can filter the data in whatever way you want. Now let's bring this product into the row. Oh, fantastic. You can now also know what product you have sold on particular date. So the magic of pivot table is this: in whatever way you want our data to be represented, in that way we can design it. And now let's see another fantastic feature. If I right click on this date, I'll get a group option. I will choose the starting date as 1/1/2019 to 1/1/2020. Select months, click OK. Now you can see the magic of this pivot table. Now it started showing the data month wise as a month summary. In the month of January, desktops were sold amount, sum of sales amount. Similarly, you can also group quarterly, group days, so this is about the pivot table. Hope you got some knowledge about pivot table which we used in this video. Thank you for watching, and please do comment, please do share this video to reach maximum number of people who are really in the use of pivot table. So thank you for watching.